Hippo Shade Sails, Best Practices. Shade sails can be great and long-lasting and easy to use if installed correctly. On the other hand, if they are installed incorrectly, winds and rain can damage them easily. Here are a few things to keep in mind while installing a shade sail. Measurements. In order to install the shade sail correctly, it is important to first order the correct shade sail suitable for your location. Start by measuring the length and the width of your space. Order a shade sail which is about 1 to 2 feet shorter than your final dimensions. We advise this so that there is enough room to tighten the shade sails. Remember, the shade sail fabrics are slightly flexible and will stretch a little bit. Tight installation. It is very important to make sure that your shade sail is installed tightly and is not sagging. A loose shade sail catches wind easily and flaps. This makes the shade sail weak and can eventually damage it. For both air-permeable shade sails and waterproof shade sails, make sure that first 2 ends of the shade sails are tied loosely. Then fasten the other 2 ends tightly, and at last adjust the first 2 ends to tighten the shade sail. Slope installation. For both waterproof and air-permeable shade sails, make sure there is above 30-degree slope in the shade sail. Especially for waterproof shade sails, or they are installed without a slope, water will collect in the shade sail, and with the weight of the water the shade sail might tear or damage. If a waterproof shade sail is installed without the appropriate slope, it can potentially cause damage to the central stitching area, which can lead to water leakage. This is because water can pool in the center of the shade sail, putting undue stress on the stitching area and potentially causing tears or damage to the fabric. After installing your shade sail, check the shade sail again after a few days. The knitted material of the shade sail can stretch out after installation, so kindly tighten your shade sails to keep them perfectly balanced and safe. If you have any questions or would like to speak with a Hippo representative, kindly call us.